Thanksgiving is officially over, but like many of us, DJ Khaled has a whole lot to be thankful for. Other than a new career accomplishment to add to his long list of wins, the super producer turned author gave us a look at his biggest win of his life. Over the holiday weekend, DJ Khaled finally showed his 1-month-old son on his Snapchat and IG. With various long caption posts, his fans were introduced to his joy, Assad Tuck Khaled, the little guy whose name means lion in Arabic, has already started cuddling up with his dad's new book, The Keys, and is getting ready to take his rightful place in the empire. As everyone expected, Khaled is already head over heels in love and posted, "All of my loved ones meet my joy, my happiness. My son, meet my son. Assad Khaled, young icon. My son truly showed me what love is, what joy is, what happiness is. Assad, you showed me what life is. I'm so grateful God has blessed me with my biggest blessing. Assad, I got us forever. I love you. We the best. Lion. Bless up." So cute. Also, he took to Instagram to celebrate his Major Key album, which featured everyone from Jay-Z to J. Cole, which went gold. In the caption, he also added he's working on some new music. Hopefully, baby Assad has some noise-canceling headphones. We have a feeling he will be in the studio with his daddy very soon. Let us know your thoughts on baby Assad's introduction to the world. Comment below or tweet us by using the hashtag BETBreaks. For more on this story, make sure you log on to BET.com. I'm Amanda Booz, and you can follow me at The Mandy B Show. And this is BET Breaks, the one and only place to get the latest in entertainment news.